Hello guys, welcome to the channel Tech for Leap. In this video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT. What is it, what are the advantages, and what is the architecture of ChatGPT. Okay, so let's dive in. So ChatGPT is a generative language model. It is used to get responses in text to a queries asked. It is a variant of popular language model called as GPT, and it is derived from InstructGPT model. GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the ChatGPT model is a very huge model containing 175 billion parameters. It is one of the biggest generative model available in the world. There are multiple uses of ChatGPT. It's used in chatbots, it's used in language translation, text summarization, text completion, and content creation. The ChatGPT model is made up of transformer architecture. This transformer architecture is well suited for natural language processing tasks due to its ability to efficiently process long sequences of data. It has also got the ability to learn large amounts of data in the form of text, and it can adapt to different contexts and situations. This architecture contains self-attention layers, which allow the model to weigh importance of different words or phrases in each input. It enables the model to focus on the right phrases and the words which are required to produce the right output. The transformer architecture also contains the feed-forward layers and residual connection layers, which helps it to derive the right relationship between different words and phrases, and also derive patterns from the complex text and phrases. The overall architecture looks something like this. The attention mechanism is called as a multi-head attention. The reason why it is called as multi-head attention is because it takes in multiple inputs. The attention layer is then followed by the feed-forward network, which then extracts important information which the attention layer has given to it. The overall composition of the architecture is made up of multiple such blocks. And finally, the output is applied on these softmax layers, which gives out the output probabilities. Even though the ChatGPT is extremely useful and it has got extremely lot of advantages, there are still some limitations of ChatGPT. The ChatGPT model is extremely reliant on very large dataset of text for training. Even though the dataset is very large, it might not represent a complete diversity of language and experiences, due to which the algorithm might not give a required responses for a particular type of questions which are not present in the dataset. Again, the model is reliant on a machine learning algorithm which is only as good as the dataset they are trained on. That means what are the errors that are present in the dataset could also result in wrong outputs or opinions. The model, as we discussed earlier, is one of the biggest model in the world right now with 175 billion parameters, due to which it's extremely complex and has extremely lot of computational demands. It's impossible to run this model on mobile or small devices. It always requires server machines. Another issue with ChatGPT is that it can give very strong opinions, and hence answers need to be regulated. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.